In the race toward efficiency, how far would you go? In 2023, an Indian entrepreneur made a decision. Suumit Shah, CEO of the e-commerce platform Dukaan, faced the challenges many growing companies encounter: rising operational costs and customer service bottlenecks.
The numbers weren't adding up. Customer complaints were taking too long to resolve. We needed to make a change.
His solution was as effective as it was controversial. In a single decision, Shah laid off 90% of his customer support team, replacing them with AI-powered chatbots. Customer response times plummeted from nearly 2 minutes to virtually instantaneous. Issue resolution times dropped from over 2 hours to just a few minutes. Operating costs decreased dramatically.
What we're seeing isn't just an incremental improvement. It's a fundamental shift in how customer service can function.
PhonePe automated 60% of its customer support using AI chatbots. ICICI Bank's AI-led credit system dramatically reduced their manual assessment teams.
We're witnessing the beginning of a fundamental shift. Jobs we once thought could only be performed by humans are now being handled by algorithms.
I had been doing this job for 5 years. I was good at it. Then one day, they told us an AI could do it better.
The story of Dukaan presents us with the central question of our technological age: how do we balance progress with people?
Technology has always changed employment patterns, but the speed and scale of AI disruption is unprecedented. We need to think carefully about the society we're creating.
As we race toward an automated future, the question isn't just whether AI can replace human jobs, but whether it should. In this new world, efficiency comes quickly. Wisdom may take longer.